Like, it's all fun and games when your hair thick until your hair thicker than you. Then you're like, oh my gosh, like, what am I supposed to do? Great. What's up, main gang? Another day, another main we gotta tame. So today, as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a really cute claw clip hairstyle. I'm kind of gonna wing it. I know I'm gonna do like a half up, half down, but I'm gonna wing like how I style it. So first things first, we gotta take this bonnet off, okay? Get rid of the bonnet. And y'all, this is literally like day 6 or day 7, like a week since I've done my wash and go. So I'm gonna first start off with this spray bottle. It has cool water in it. I'm gonna take my little hand thingies to stop water from running down your wrist. Definitely go buy these. They're gonna be in the description in my Amazon storefront under beauty finds. Definitely go get them. But I'm just moisturizing my hair first so that my hair can be manageable. Okay, so that should be good. So now I'm about to go ahead and part off the back part of my hair. I set up this 3-way mirror that I got from Amazon. It's also gonna be in my Amazon storefront. I have my camera set up behind me and there's also a mirror right here. So I'm just gonna part my hair. Like, I'm gonna look into the 3-way mirror and then I can see myself in this mirror, like the back of my head, looking into the mirror that's behind me this way. Okay, so now that I finally, after a million years later, I finally have my hair all parted out in the back, I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. First, I'm gonna part it from ear to ear. I know I want some kind of swoop. And y'all, for this front section, I'm not gonna part out a super big section because I don't want this to be super thick. I want it to lay flat. So I'm just gonna part it as straight as I feel like parting it, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I don't be feeling like sitting here fighting with my own head for a straight part. I do that with my clients. I'll fight for a straight part for you, but for myself, it's just like, baby, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna put this in a ponytail, like this part that I semi-half parted. That way I can clean up the part and the other hair is not in my way. Okay, that's the best this part is gonna get. Anybody finna sit here all day parting this dang on hair. This is good, right? This is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna twist this up, like this front section again, so that it is out of the way. Then I'm gonna make this ponytail into a real ponytail. And y'all, this is so thick, like, oh my gosh, I just don't know what to do. So I'm gonna wet it some more, because baby, this section is so thick. It's super thick. Like, why are you so thick? You thicker than me, and that's a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and take my extreme wet line gel that I'm almost out of, and I'm gonna use about this much. Okay, that's it. Usually I'm really heavy-handed, but I'm almost out, so I'm gonna spread that around my hair, like all around the perimeter. I rubbed it into my hands, and then now I'm just spreading it all around the perimeter. I'm gonna take my brush and get this ponytail as sleek as possible. Same thing with the back. And I'm gonna place my ponytail kind of to the back because I'm gonna put it in the claw clip anyways, which is gonna make it sit up. So I'm gonna place it going backwards instead of at the top of my head. Great. Let me go find another ponytail holder. I'll be right back. And y'all, you just want to secure your ponytail really good without making your ponytail too tight. Your ponytail should never like have your head hurting. Just make sure it's sleek and it's secure, but your head don't need to be hurting. Okay, so now that I have my ponytail together, everything is sectioned out how it needs to be. Then for this front part, let's see what we finna do. Let's see what we finna do. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with a straight part, because I know I want it to the side, I don't want it in the middle. And I kind of wanted to do like a zigzag, but this part is short. So I'm gonna try to make it deeper so that y'all can see the zigzag. So I'm gonna start over here. Take the part this way. Y'all see that? Section this off, cause y'all see that, so that I can choose where I want to start my zigzag over this way. I'm gonna start it about right here, and then I'm just gonna take that to the front. We have a zigzag, and it's kind of a dramatic zigzag. This is my zigzag part. I'm gonna leave this out for like a curl in the front. Go ahead and start sleeking this down on this side. I'm gonna take my extreme gel and I'm gonna put that on the hair. And y'all, I'm using a good amount of this gel right here just so I can make sure it's super sleek. I'm gonna use this small edge brush just to make sure I'm not touching hairs that I'm not supposed to be touching. And I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and I'm gonna bobby pin this side down until I finish the other side and can put it in a ponytail. So now that we have that back there, I'm gonna go ahead and take this back section down. And y'all, my hair is already dry. So I'm gonna take the back section down and I'm gonna wet it since my hair is dry. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some moisture into my hair. I'm gonna take my Mielle Moisture Hawaiian Ginger Moisture Hair Butter, and I'm gonna rake that into my hair, making sure I'm finger detangling my hair in the process so that all of my curls are coated and so that I get as much definition as possible. I'm gonna take this Tree Lux Soothe and Restore Mousse and I'm going to kind of like finger coil my hair. So I'm just gonna put the mousse in there first like this. And then I'm gonna twirl my fingers around curls so that, you know, curls are clumped together. Let's get a close-up on that. I'm gonna take a little bit of that gel, literally a little bit at the roots of the back of this, just so that when my hair dries, my roots aren't super fluffy. And then I'm also gonna pull a curl out on this side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna finger coil this side, and boom. I'm gonna go ahead and like lay this down so that the front can go ahead and start molding. I've sat and let my hair air dry for about 2 hours. So now we're about to take matters into our own hands with our handy dandy Kiss blow dryer bought at Walmart. And we're gonna start diffusing. So I'm gonna take my Miel rosemary mint oil and I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. This still, I usually use more, but I'm gonna try to break the cast on my hair. I'm just gonna pull my curls and spread this product down. I'm just trying to break the cast, which it really, these products together didn't have that much of a cast, but that literally, that simple just stretched my hair a little bit. The front of my hair has a looser curl anyways, so I'm just gonna let the curls at the front be. I don't wanna do too much to the curls at the front. It came out super cute. And y'all, the curls is popping. Let me get a close up on these. Let me get a close up. Look at this. Look at this. Come through. But yes, y'all, this hairstyle came out super cute. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notification bell so you don't miss any time I post. Peace out, main gang.